Hello, you guys. I was in my little garden this morning. I decided that I was going to do a little bit of exciting planting of other things as well. But look at my collard greens. I moved them over here. These are the new seeds that I went on and potted from Home Depot the other day. So those are already here, ready for those to do their thing. Just got through uncovering my plants overnight. It was about 39 degrees last night. So I'm just making sure. But I went on and added this so I can put my sweet peppers there in here because they're starting to get kind of tall. But yes, and my little friendly ladybug is on duty doing her little job there. She's so cute. Just love her. Keep on working good, ladybug. Okay. So I'm going to transfer my sweet peppers into there. And I also got some of these. These were from a lasagna that I made. And I went on and took the seeds out of the bell peppers. So this is orange, yellow, and red. Oh, it's going to be so exciting. So I'm going to plant these as well. Yes, fresh out of the bell peppers, you guys. Sweet peppers. All right, you guys, stay tuned.